Welcome to Pathfinder 2nd Edition Basics. I am Model 42 and today we are talking about action economy, or what you can do when things get dangerous. There are more or less 3 modes of play in Pathfinder: encounter mode, exploration mode, and free mode. The last one is pretty simple. You, your party members and the DM are more or less doing whatever you want, as long as it continues the story or plot, without the need for structure. An example for this would be sitting in the tavern together, drinking beer and planning your next adventure, when suddenly an NPC bursts into the scene and asks you and your friends for help. Exploration mode is mostly used for dungeons, wilderness and city. Exploration and segments are played with a duration of 10 minutes each, for example, using the seek action to examine a room, or using the tend wounds action to heal someone. A lot of the time you will be in encounter mode, which are mostly combat, chase scenes or very intense dialogues, where each second counts. Those are sectioned in rounds of 6 seconds each, with every participant in order of their initiative, which is usually rolled at the start of such an encounter. Once it is your turn, you have 3 actions to spend in any way you want, and we will look at some of your options in a little while. Also, during each round, you have 1 reaction, which can only be used if its trigger condition is met. For example, an enemy moves away from a fighter, who has the attack of opportunity reaction. During your turn, and sometimes even outside of your turn, you can use as many free actions as you want, as long as they fit in a 6-second time frame. Among actions you will do a lot are the following: stride, which is moving up to your movement speed; strike, which is attacking a target with a weapon; step, which is moving 1 space safely; demoralize, which is an action of the intimidation skill and can frighten targets; recall knowledge, which various skills can do and give you hints about targets, or using spells and abilities, which more often than not cost 2 or 3 actions. There are a lot more you can do and using all 3 during your turn: to position yourself, fatally wound enemies, heal allies, get information or talk to one another is a necessity for successfully surviving the perils ahead. There are also activities, like the aforementioned tend wounds, which you normally can't use in combat, since they take 10 minutes, 1 hour or even a day or more. These are usually done in exploration mode, or your downtime, which is the time between adventures, when you are allowed to freely roam a town, for example. This concludes this lesson. For more information about actions, modes and activities, you can find a lot of useful information in the core rulebook, starting at page 461 and following. Also in the skills section, which starts at page 232, you will find even more actions that are tied to your skills. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more content, or leave a comment telling me your opinion if the creators did good, changing the action economy from 1st edition to 2nd edition, or what you like about this.